So dear students, in our last section we have seen what is machine learning and categorization of machine learning tasks. Now we will start with the types of machine learning algorithms. So machine learning is used to predict, categorize, classify the data set, right? And how we are classifying the data sets with minimization of the errors. So learning is always algorithm based, and for that the machine learning algorithms are classified into three types, that is supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement. In supervised we are having the task, that is it is task driven, we are already having some data sets with us. In unsupervised it is data driven, and in reinforcement algorithm learns to react to an particular environment. These are the basic three types of machine learning algorithms. The basic machine learning algorithm is classified into these three types, that is supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement. So supervised learning process is having two steps, that is learning and testing. I have said it in my previous lecture also that training is very important. This is the training part, this is the testing part. So training means what? We are doing it as learn a model using training the data. We are training the data which is used then for testing as a ground truth value. And testing is what? Test the model using unseen test data to assess the model accuracy. Means whatever training we have done, according to that we will be applying testing, but this testing is applied to the unseen data set. So the accuracy will be number of correct classifications upon total number of test cases. So as we can see over here, this is training, where the training data is given to algorithm and then it is classified into model, and then this model is used for testing the data so that we can achieve the highest accuracy. So these are the two steps for the supervised learning. So basically supervised learning is what? It is used for the structured data set. It analyzes the training data and generates the functions which will be used for other data sets. Means these can be used for the other data sets for the making the predictions. So the core concept is used to tag the data. This tag data means observation, where the ground truth is already known. So whenever we are having ground truth, that is called as the tag data. And training model means model is nothing but automatically characterizing the data, that is nothing but tag data, in the way so that we can have prediction on the unknown data points. Okay. Now this is about the supervised learning. So supervised machine learning is being used by the system across the world. The input variable is used to connect with the output variable through the use of algorithm, and the input, output, algorithm and all the scenario are provided by humans. So the supervised machine learning is basically classified into three parts, that is classification, regression and clustering. Clustering is also used in unsupervised learning, but we will see it in terms of the supervised learning. So classification problem means categorizing the variables from the outputs. So the examples of this category is formed through classification, where we can have the data in dividation into various types according to its feature. For example, suppose we have received any mail, then this algorithm will help us to classify whether the given or received mail is spam or not. So that is nothing but one type of classification. So generally the classification can be done by the Navy Bayes, logistic regression, decision tree, k nearest neighbors, support vector machines, random forest and all. All this we will see in detail because we are having all the details of these. Then the second is regression. So regression means problems that can be classified as regression problems where the output variables are set as a real number. When the output variables are set as the real numbers, then we can say it as the regression problem. And the format for this problem often follows the linear format, that is linear regression and support vector machine. And the third one is clustering. So clustering is nothing but classifying the data or grouping the data according to its features. So it basically consists of machine clustering and k-means clustering. So all these techniques comes under the supervised learning. This was about the supervised learning. In our next section, we will see what is the unsupervised learning. So what is supervised learning? Supervised learning means we are training the data and we are having the ground truth value, which is called as the tag data set, and this is then used as a model so that we can test the unseen data set. That is nothing but the supervised learning algorithm. Thank you.